Division is so simple. Let me show you. Say, 84 divided by 2. First, draw the division symbol like this. Then put the numbers in their spots. First number inside. Second number outside. And the answer goes on top. Alright. Now we're ready to go. We're going to divide each number in 84 by 2. Repeat these for steps. Divide. Multiply back. Subtract. Bring down. Now, start with the 8. Divide. 8 divided by 2 equals 4. Write 4 on top, right above the 8. Multiply back. 2 times 4 equals 8. Write 8 below the 8. Subtract. 8 minus 8 equals 0. Bring down the next number. It's 4. Do the same with the 4. Divide. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Write 2 on top, above the 4. Multiply back. 2 times 2 equals 4. Subtract. 4 minus 4 equals 0. No numbers left to bring down. So we're done. Final answer. 42. Now, how about 96 divided by 3? You do it, I'll do it too. Then we'll compare. Ready. Set. Go! I got 32. High five if you did. If not, no worries. Let's keep practicing. 428 divided by 2. Ready. Set. Go! All done? Time to compare. My answer is 214. What's yours? Thanks so much for doing division with me. Can't wait to do it again next time.